She's the parking queen, getting it right every time in the first go. As for me, I believe in delegating. I just press this park assist button and let the car find a place and park all by itself. Hands-free, stress-free. Wait a minute. What if she's been using park assist all this while and just pretending to be holding the steering wheel? Now that would be a scam. I'll be watching you, darling.
Park Assist in the all-new Fabia.
Press the Park Assist button to activate the function. Then just follow the instructions on the screen. When the car finds an open spot, it appears on the infotainment screen. Stop and shift to reverse. The car will take care of the rest itself. All you have to do is operate the throttle and brakes. The system will let you know when it's done. You can now take full control again. Please always be aware of your surroundings and be prepared to intervene or stop. Park Assist in the all-new Fabia.
ŠKODA. Simply clever.